How to speed up any phone. In order to speed up your phone, first of all go to the settings on your device. After you go to the settings on your device, now scroll down until you find the option of About Phone. When you find the option of About Phone, just tap on it. After you tap on the option of About Phone, you'll see an interface like this. Now you have to move to the option of Software Information. After you tap on Software Information, you will see an interface like this. Now you have to check whether there is the option of Build Number or not. If you find the option of Build Number, just tap on the option of Build Number. You have to tap on it for about 5 times. And if you tap on the Build Number for about 5 times, now the developer option will be enabled. And when the developer option will be enabled, it is the thing that you can follow the other next process. And after your developer mode has been enabled like this, now you have to go back. You have to go back and see whether there is the option of developer options or not. If you find the option of developer options, just tap on it. Now scroll down. Do not enable any other option. Only enable the option which has been shown by me. Now you have to enable the option of Windows applications. Now you have to go up, and when you find the option of Windows animation, you have to enable it. First of all, go to the option of Windows animation scale and turn it off. Turn the animation off there. Now you have to go to the next option, that is transition animation scale. You have to do animation off. You have to go to the animation duration scale and also turn it off. This way, your problem will be solved.
Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.